Identify the center, vertices, covertices, foci, length of the major axis, and length of the minor axis of this ellipse. Well, when I look at this guy, I've noticed that the larger number is underneath the y part. So I'm going to compare that to this formula right here. X minus h squared all over b squared plus y minus k squared all over a squared equals 1. Okay, so since my larger number is always going to be a, I'm writing out this formula. Now, this is the formula where I have like a standing up ellipse where it looks tall and skinny versus short and wide. Okay, so that's what we're looking at. Some basic math. Negative h is 5, so positive h is negative 5. That's going to be important. Negative k is negative 1, so positive k is positive 1. B squared is 81, which means square root everything. B is 9. And a squared is 144, so square root everything. A is 12. Now, we also know with ellipses that c squared is going to equal a squared minus b squared. A squared was 144. B squared was 81. 144 minus 81 is 63. So in order to find out what c is, you square root that, you square root that. That's the square root of 9 times 7, so that cleans up to 3 times the square root of 7. All right. Now with all that information, we can go over here and state the center, vertices, covertices, foci, length of the major axis, and length of the minor axis. When you are dealing with this form, the center is going to be hk. So in our case, the center is going to be negative 5, 1. The vertices, okay, the tippy top and the very bottom, are going to be h and k plus or minus a. So h is negative 5, so 1 plus 12 is 13, so that's one option. And then 1 minus 12 is negative 11. That's going to be our other option. Those are our vertices. Covertices are given to us by h plus or minus b, k. So we have negative 5 plus 9, which is going to be 4. K is 1. Negative 5 minus 9, which is negative 14. And that's going to be 1. Okay. We got our foci. That's going to be given to us as h, k plus or minus c. So h was negative 5. 1 plus 3 root 7. And negative 5, 1 minus 3 root 7. It's going to be our foci. Then we've got, what color haven't I used yet? Green. So we've got the length of our major axis is going to be 2 times a. So 2 times a is 2 times 12, which is 24. And the length of the minor axis is going to be 2 times b, which is 2 times 9, which is 18. And we could use all, excuse me, my goodness. We could use all this information to graph that on a coordinate plane if that's what we needed to do. We don't, but we could if we wanted to. We could if we wanted to.